Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Grammarly to refine LinkedIn posts and comments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Grammarly website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to create your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Grammarly browser extension. If you haven't installed it yet, find the download link on the Grammarly homepage. Follow the instructions to add the Grammarly extension to your browser. After installation, confirm that the Grammarly icon appears in your browser toolbar. Next, go to your LinkedIn profile. Log into your LinkedIn account if you haven't done so already. Open a post or comments section where you want to use Grammarly. Click on the text box. Begin typing your post or comment. You will notice Grammarly automatically starts checking your text. As you type, Grammarly will underline any errors or suggestions. Click on the underlined words to see the suggested corrections. Choose to accept or ignore each suggestion as necessary. Once you're satisfied with your text, you can publish your comment or post. Grammarly will continue to assist you with future LinkedIn interactions. You can customize Grammarly settings by clicking on the extension icon. Explore the options to tailor your writing assistance. This setup enhances your LinkedIn communication effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.